So any type of systematic review follows roughly the same overall process. First, reviewers develop a clearly focused question. For any given topic, there are many different questions that can be addressed, from what causes the issue to how to fix it, and a clearly focused question helps reviewers focus their efforts and navigate what is often a lot of literature so that they end up with a very usable answer at the end. Then they systematically search for all the evidence that answers their question. They often get help from research librarians to make sure their search is as comprehensive as possible. And when they've done the search and they have that big pile of articles, they need to go through the articles one by one to see if they meet the reviewer's criteria to answer the actual question. This is usually done in duplicate by 2 members of the review team who then compare their answers at the end. For all the articles that then do meet the criteria, reviewers assess quality to see if it's good enough to inform their overall conclusions. Again, this is done in duplicate by 2 members who come to consensus in order to reduce bias. And only then do they look at the findings of the included articles to see what the researchers found. Pulling data is done, as you may have guessed, in duplicate to reduce error and bias. And then finally, once the data has been pulled from all the included studies, the review authors will pull the results all together to figure out what they say as a whole. And while this overall process should be very systematic and very transparent, it is also susceptible to bias. So when you critically appraise a review, you're making sure that the review authors did a good job of all of these steps.